Proxy-N-VPN Guide, How to use Putty and SSH Tunnel as Secure SOCKS Proxy. The free program of Putty and the process of SSH tunneling enable the users to bypass local firewall and enjoy a free surfing experience in the web in its free and original form. The best part is that SSH tunneling also encrypts the data that is transferred through your local network, which prevents hacking. Secure Shell, SSH, is a network protocol through which the users can have encrypted communication between two computers. Shell typically refers to the command line interface, CLI, of the computers. SSH is used not only to safely access a remote computer CLI, but also to copy files and as a data transfer tunnel between your computer and another computer on the internet. Tunneling bypasses the local router/modem, and your ISP's network, connecting you directly to the internet, enabling you to access restricted sites as well. This method of driving your web traffic through another computer/port is called SOCKS proxying. Though SOCKS proxying can be done without SSH, it is not recommended for safety reasons. Setting up the tunnel. Get started by downloading Putty.exe, which is a free program that does not require any software installation. Identify a remote Linux server to be used as the endpoint of your SSH tunnel. You can either use a free server or rent a cheap virtual private server, to which you need to connect the IP address and port. Open Putty and fill in the host name and port and select SSH from the connection type. Configure host name/IP address. Run Putty on the Putty configuration window. Type the IP address of your remote server and fill in the port. SSH typically uses port 22, however it could vary depending on the settings of the network. What you need: Putty SSH client, SSH access to a Unix/Linux server. To make use of the tunnel to its full potential, it is recommended to set up a SOCKS proxy in your browser. The Foxy proxy switching plugin will work for both Firefox and Chrome on Windows. Conclusion: with the Putty SSH connection, your proxy tunnel will be open, which will enable you to browse the internet without any restrictions.